Hi, it's Ken Haedrich, and if you're ready to make the most of the summer pie season, I've got a couple of great live classes this month that'll get you off to a really good start. So on June 12th, it's all about fresh peach pies, and first up is our peach lattice slab pie. Not only is this recipe a model for so many fruit slab pies you might want to make this summer, it's hands down the pie of choice for summer reunions and other get-togethers. I'm going to break it down for you step by step, inch by inch, so you know exactly how to make one of these beauties in your own kitchen. Now, we'll also be making this peach custard crumb pie. Just imagine sweet summer peaches surrounded by a vanilla almond custard and topped with a crisp brown sugar crumb topping. Oh, I mean, if that doesn't make your mouth water, I don't know what will. Now, on June 26th, we'll do a class I'm calling Gadzooks, a salute to Savory Zucchini Pies. We'll start out big and bold with a beautiful Zucchini Parmesan Galette, a real showstopper. This is a thin, delicate tart, and it makes for the perfect summer appetizer with or without our special tapenade garnish. Last but not least, we'll make one of my all-time favorite recipes, Zucchini Taco Pie. It's beefy, it's vegetable-y, and it's guaranteed to be a hit with your family and guests. Even not zucchini fans will devour this one. So there you have it, two sensational classes to celebrate the summer harvest. I really hope you can join us. We're going to have a lot of fun. You'll find everything you need to know below. And like we always do, we're offering a special bundle price if you sign up for both classes. And don't forget, if you can't make it to the live class, you get lifetime access to the replay and the recipes. Take care.